Hello, I'm in Boisfort, Washington, and I'm here to review Lost Valley Road. BMR TV road reviews are not only about the facts and figures, the route map, my impressions, but you get to see it for yourself. So sit back and enjoy. Of course, the first question you have to ask is, if there's a sign for a road called Lost Valley Road, is it really lost? So I found Lost Valley on the maps as I was scouring looking for good, twisty little farm roads, in and around the areas that I ride on a regular basis. Just looking for something new, and I did come across this. It's a combination, as you can see here, of a fairly straight kind of a farmland country road, but looking at the map and looking ahead, you can see the hills in front of us. As it heads up in there, into the trees, into the hills, the road should get fairly twisty and looks like it could be quite fun. It's not super long, it's only something like 14 miles long, and it leads over to another road which then takes you to Highway 6, which is sort of the main highway which leads back to I-5 if you're heading that direction. So this is kind of a way to cut the corner a little bit. It's actually really kind of out of the way if you're heading from south of this area up north, like to Tacoma or whatever. You'll do better if you're going a different way, but this is a great little road. It looks to be a great little road when you're looking for something a little bit different, a little more interesting, and a little more fun to kind of throw into the mix, so you're not just stuck on the highway. As you can see, the road's a little bit lumpy. The road surface itself seems all right. It's not potholes or cracks or anything like that, but it's definitely not smooth. Now we're talking. Make sure you're in the right gear. This isn't too bad. I like this. Wouldn't mind doing it a few times to get more familiar with it. Good elevation changes, some blind crests, nice corners. So, what do I think? It's not too bad. It's got this curvy little section, which I like. Road surface is a little lumpy, but not horrible. It's just a matter of if it fits into what you're doing that day. If I was coming along Highway 6 and wanted to jump off, do this section down to Boisfort and then back up to 6, it might work out this way. This direction that I'm going right now, not so sure, because it's taking me east away from where I'm actually heading, so I'm not sure it's worth doing that. If I came the other way, I probably would. Thanks so much for coming along. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to make sure that you are notified when new videos get uploaded. If you have any roads that you think I should ride, leave those in the comments below. And if you'd like to support my effort in producing awesome videos, join the VMR TV crew by clicking the support link in the description below. And until next time, get out and ride.